How to start a print-on-demand business. Are you looking for a way to start your own online business without worrying about inventory or shipping? A print-on-demand business could be the perfect solution for you. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to start your very own print-on-demand business, from finding your niche to making your first sale. Choose your niche. The first step in starting a successful print-on-demand business is choosing a niche. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, and that has demand in the market. Whether it's fitness, travel, pets, or pop culture, narrowing your focus will help you create products that attract the right customers. Select your platform. There are many print-on-demand platforms available, such as Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble. These platforms handle the printing, packaging, and shipping for you, so you can focus on designing and marketing your products. Research each platform to see which one best fits your needs and business goals. Create your designs. Next, it's time to start designing. If you're a graphic designer, you can create your own designs using tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. If you're not confident in your design skills, you can hire a freelance designer or use templates available on sites like Creative Market. Make sure your designs are original and aligned with your niche. Set up your online store. You'll need a place to sell your products, whether it's on Shopify, Etsy, or directly through a print-on-demand platform. Make sure your store is user-friendly and showcases your products with high-quality images and clear descriptions. Setting up a professional online store is key to building trust with your customers. Price your products. Pricing is crucial for making a profit in a print-on-demand business. Consider the costs of production, shipping, and platform fees, and ensure you leave enough margin for profit. Offering different pricing tiers for various products, like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, can help you cater to a wider audience. Market your business. Once your store is set up, it's time to start promoting your products. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your designs and reach your target audience. You can also use influencer marketing, paid ads, or email marketing to drive traffic to your store. Fulfill and manage orders. The beauty of print-on-demand is that the platform handles the printing and shipping for you, so you don't have to worry about logistics. However, it's important to stay on top of customer service, manage your orders, and make sure your customers are satisfied. Good reviews will help build your brand and attract more customers. Scale your business. Once you start making sales, focus on scaling your business. Expand your product offerings, improve your marketing strategies, and invest in higher quality designs. As your business grows, you can start creating limited edition items or custom collections to keep your customers engaged. Starting a print-on-demand business is a great way to make money online with minimal upfront investment. By following these steps, you can build a profitable business, create products you're proud of, and reach customers all over the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.